because when we are recording from the Zoom, the name what I'm calling that, everything will be there in that. Okay. So I told you whenever trigonometry, when we are practicing this, everyone should know. It should be there in front of you. That I already told you. Okay. Now today my plan 10 questions will discuss in which new questions will be there. So choice is yours. New questions also will be there. But don't forget, I told you the technique. 90% question we are converting in terms of sine and cos. 90% question we are converting in terms of what? Sine and cos. 90%. And if any cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, do that one. Common term, if it is there, we have to take it outside. It is not in the order. It can be any order. It is not in the order. It can be any order. So just try to understand. Okay, fine. So starting first question. Express sine A tan A. Express sine A tan A. Express sine A tan A. Express sine A tan A and cosec A and cosec A and cosec A and cosec A in terms of ck, in terms of ck. You want to express sine A, tan A and cosec A in terms of ck. Very simple thing. More questions I'll give you. You want to express this in terms of ck. By seeing the question, you don't afraid. Whenever they are asking in terms of sine A or cosec A or ck or whatever, you people have to use the identity first. That's a very important thing. Identity you have to use. Which identity will use? You want to get in terms of what? Mainly we people having three identities. One is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Second one, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So, whenever they are telling in terms of sin theta, if they are telling, you have to use this identity. Express in terms of cos theta also, whenever they are saying, you have to use this identity. In terms of sec theta, when they are saying you have to use this identity, tan theta also you have to use this identity. So you want to express this in terms of ck. So first thing you have to write, don't write anything, just observe. First thing what I'm writing, just listen. Just listen. We are writing, we know that. WKT means I told you we know that. So you people are writing for the exam also SBS. SBS when you're writing, try to write a full form squaring both sides for, okay. For time being we can write like this, but when you're writing exams and all, you just try to make it a proper. That's good, that's some say. See, we want to get it in terms of ck. So immediately we have an identity in terms of sec. So what we can write, we know that sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. We have the super hexagon also. So 1 plus minus tan square theta when I am transposing. Why I took that one? Because we want to get it in terms of sec. We want to get it in terms of sec. That's why I done that. Suppose if you want to get it in terms of cosec, we will take this one. Okay. So after that, the square you transpose. So square when we are transposing, it will be root. Sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, just 1 minute. The same thing only, don't worry. We know that sec square A minus tan square A equal to what? 1. That's the first thing. Then 1 you bring this side. So what will you get? Sec square A minus 1 equal to what? Tan square A. I'll tell you why I wrote like this. 1 I brought this side. Or what we can say? Tan A equal to root of sec square A minus 1. Plus or minus will be there, but for time being, we are discussing only positive quantity. So again I repeat, we have an identity sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So in which what I wrote, 1 I brought this side, tan I transpose to other side. And afterwards, root. This is the first thing. This I got tan A equal to this one. In terms of root of sec square minus A. So we got tan a equal to root of what? 6 square a minus 1. So that is over with us. That's the first thing you people have to understand. First thing that only. Next, one more I am writing here. Cos A actually didn't ask. What is cos A? Cos A is what? 1 by ck. Just simply I wrote it because everything we can write in terms of sine and cos. Cos A is what? 1 by ck. Cos is what? 1 by ck. Now we want to get this much, this green color, if it is there, you can manage. If this much green color, if it is there, you can manage. Next, they're asking, we want to find a sine A. So I told you people, this much result should be there in with you. You want to get, you already got a tan A. So I just wrote a cos A. Cos A already over 1 by ck. Cos A is what? 1 by ck. It's a reciprocal of the sec. So sine A, there won't be an issue. Just see from here. I told you it should be there with you. It should be there with you. What is sine A? Only this 6 result is there. You can manage anything. Any question you can manage. So what is sine A? Sine A, if you are observing from here, this when you're transposing, cos into tan will be there. You have see sine A equal to what? Tan A into cos A. Sin A equal to what? Tan A into cos A. How I got it? This cos I transposed to this side. This cos I transposed to this side, so I got sin A equal to what? Cos A into tan A. Sin A equal to what? Cos A into tan A. Now, we want to get to everything in terms of sec. Now, what we can write? See, sin A equal to, what is tan A? Tan A we found here. Tan A we found here. Root of 6 square A minus 1. What is cos A? Cos A also we found here. Cos A is 1 by ck. Cos A 1 by ck. So, or we can write root of 6 square A minus 1 all divided by ck we can write. So, just to observe this one. This sixth result, if it is there anything you can manage. So, what I done, I wrote, I want to get the sin A. Sin A equal to this side transpose to this side. So, when I am transposing to this side, I got a cos theta into tan theta or cos A into tan A. That only I wrote here. Cos A into tan A. Tan A already I found here. So, I substituted. And cos A also already I found here is substituted. If you want ck, you can write down. So, we got this also. Next, you want to write cosec. Cosec, there won't be any issue. Cosec is the reciprocal of the what? Sine. Next, cosec equal to what? Reciprocal of the sine. Cosec is the reciprocal of the sine. Already I found a sine. This is what we are calling sine. So reciprocal of the sine, you have to take ulta. You have to take reciprocal. So sine A equal to this one. So sine A if this one, what about cosec A? Cosec A 1 by sine A. 1 by sine A means reciprocal. So this reciprocal when we are taking, okay. This reciprocal when we are taking, what will be the ck by root of 6 square a minus 1. 6 square a minus 1. So we got, this is what cosec. So everything we got, see, tan a we got in terms of sec, and cos a we got in terms of sec, sine also we got in terms of sec, number can be no problem, and cosec also we got in terms of sec. Cosec also we got in terms of sec. Now anything is remaining sine, cos, tan. Tan we got cosec. If you want to cot how you can find? They didn't ask. If you want to cot you know reciprocal of the tan. Cot is what? Reciprocal of the tan. This is tan. This is tan. So reciprocal of the tan means what? 1 by root of c square. Actually they asked 3, but I wrote everything. So cot equal to what? Reciprocal of tan. So 1 by root of tan, already we found it. So anything if they are asking, you can write in terms of, if you want to write it in terms of some other function, it is easy only. Just think, please write this much. So if any question is coming, write in terms of something. First the identity, by using that one you write. Then you just proceed one by one. Maybe the answer won't be in this order, any order you can. One more question I'll give you, then you can understand it. 10 question is the target today. Tomorrow also class will be there only 1 hour. All classes 1 hour. Choice everything yours. Not compelling anyone. Okay. No need to do anything. This is enough. Okay. I hope all of you wrote this one. Now I'm giving one question. Rather, express express all trigonometric ratios. Express all trigonometric ratios. Express all trigonometric ratios. Express all trigonometric ratios. Express all trigonometric ratios in terms of cos A. Express all trigonometric ratios in terms of cos A. In terms of cos A. So you want to express everything in terms of what cos A. So in that expression, when they are saying, first you people have to take the identity which is belonging to cos. This one you write. So we know that cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. Everything you want to express in terms of what cos. So we can write sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A transposed. Sin A equal to what? Root of 1 minus cos square. So first one is over. We got sin in terms of cos. Write it. Sin we got in terms of cos. Sin we got in terms of, so we have to represent cos already in terms of cos only, sin in terms of cos, tan in terms of cos, cosec in terms of what? Cos, sec in terms of cos, and cot inverse in terms of cos. Now you can write a cosec directly. Why? Yesterday I told you the order. Cosec is the reciprocal of the sine. Therefore, cosec from here itself you can write. Cosec is what? Cosec is what? Reciprocal of the sine. 1 by sin A. Cosec is 1 by sin A. So sin A already we found it. Root of 1 minus cos square. So cosec also over. Cosec is also over. So sin A and cosec both are over. Sin A and cosec both are over. So next what? Next is sec. Sec, you know, reciprocal of the what? Cos, nothing else. Sec is what? Reciprocal of the cos. Sec is what? Reciprocal of the cos, nothing to do. Sec is the reciprocal of the cos, nothing to do, that much only. Next, what we want to find a tan A. Tan is what? Sin A by cos A. Tan is what? Sin A by cos A. Tan is what? Sin A by cos A. Sin A already we found. What is sin A? Root of 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. So tan also we got in terms of what? Cos A. Now what is cot A? Cot A. Cot A is what? Reciprocally you have to take cos A by root of 1 minus cos square A. So reciprocal. Tan is the reciprocal of the cot now. So if you people having this much result, any question you can manage. That only I told you. So we got this one also. I hope you understood it. So anything if it comes in terms of sin A, you have to write this identity, then you have to identify. In terms of cosec or cot A, you have to use this one. In terms of sec and tan A, you have to use this one. So I hope you understood this part. So don't forget to practice. Okay. Now the question. Today new question also will come, what we didn't discuss before. Prove that. So I told you trigonometry when we are practicing, don't forget to convert in terms of sine and cos. That's the first thing. Convert in terms of sine and cos. Not first thing, not in the order. If any common term is there, you can take it outside. Any common term, if it is there, you can take it outside. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, you can do. This all possibility you have to see. Right on. Prove that. Prove that. prove that prove that tan a by 1 plus ck tan a by 1 plus ck tan a by 1 plus ck minus tan a by 1 minus ck tan a by 1 minus ck equal to 2 cosec equal to 2 cosec equal to 2 cosec equal to 2 cosec tan a by 1 plus ck minus tan a by 1 minus ck equal to 2 cosec. I will do, if anybody confident can carry on, no problem. I will do from my side. This is around 46 people are attending the classes. So along with I want to say something. Okay, fine. This is the LHS part. See, three things I told you clearly. If any common term is there, we can take it outside. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, you can do. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, you can do. Any common term, if it is there, you can convert in terms of sign. So first thing what I'm doing, that's better for you. Any common term is there. Yes, tan A is common. You can say tan A is common. So when we are taking tan A is outside, listen, tan A, I took it outside. Because common term, I told you it is not in order. Better, which is more comfortable you feel. I felt tan A is common, so we can take it tan A outside. So tan A, I took it outside. So you can see 1 plus ck will be the plus 1 by 1 minus ck. This is the first thing what I done. Even if you are converting in terms of sine and cos, there won't be any issue. You will get the answer. But better, always you have to think about the better option. So three things are not in order. If anything in common, you can take cross multiplication possibility. If you feel you can do that, and apart from that, what I will say, convert in terms of convert in sine and cos. If it is needed, we will see. Okay. Now this we can do the cross multiplication possibility. Why I'm saying cross multiplication we can do, because you see denominator coming in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So mainly cross multiplication thing we are doing. Anywhere a plus b into a minus b form is coming or not, you have to see. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So I'm doing the cross multiplication. The same question we done some other way. It's okay, no problem. Sorry. See, there is some other option, question also similar type is there that I done in the class, but this is the new question. Okay, I corrected it. So you can see tan A into cross multiplication when you're doing this into this, that is 1 minus ck minus, in between there is a negative sign, minus 1 plus ck. So you should keep in bracket, don't forget, divided by denominator when you are multiplying, you can see a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that is what a square minus b square. So 1 square minus c square. Now, if you are closely watching this one, you can see some cancellation possibility. This and this I cut. Just observe what I'm doing. After that, tan you cannot, ck you cannot cut. Tan a into minus ck will be minus 2 ck divided by 1 minus 6 square. 1 minus 6 square. Please come to this identity. Please come to this identity. All of you listen. In working column, you are right. From this identity, I told you, you have to draw the superhexagon. You have to practice that one that I told you. From here, you can write 6 square a minus 1 equal to what? Tan square a. From here, 1 I brought this side. 6 square a minus 1, you can write tan square a. But there is a problem. It is what? Reversely. If it comes reversely, especially only in the case of subtraction, you people can cancellation, nothing is there. Here 1 is there, 1 minus of 1 bracket when you are opening, plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, and minus ck, this minus I took inside. So minus 1 and plus 1 cancel, minus ck you cannot cancel, that is minus 2 ck. So what I want to say, After this step, our identity is what? Sec square a minus 1 equal to tan square a. Just to try to understand, I'll tell you. 3 minus 1, everybody knows 2. But 1 minus 3 will be what? Minus 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2, but 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2, because subtraction is not commutative. More example, this everything you have to write in working column, especially those who are not confident with the basic. You know, 5 minus 2 is how much? 3, but 2 minus 5 equal to not 3, that is minus 3. So we have sec square a minus 1 is what? Tan square a. So if you are changing the position, if it is reversely, therefore 1 minus sec square a will become what? Minus tan square a. Just like examples I wrote over here, it is applicable only for in the case of what? Subtraction. Addition doesn't matter because addition is commutative. Commutative means this marker plus this marker equal to the reverse also. 3 plus 2 same as 3 plus 2 same as 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2 same as 2 plus 5. But subtraction is not like that. Subtraction is not same. 3 minus 1 is 2. What? 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. So this I reversed. Sec square a minus 1 I reversed. So 1 minus sec square a. So that will be minus 10. Each and every basic part I am saying. So everything you have to write towards this question you have to write in working column to understand. And don't forget to check it today itself. So like the detailed explanation I am giving for each and every question. Every question basic things I have. So towards that question you have to write it. And your own words you write this is the thing like that. So addition is commutative. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is same as what? 2 plus 3. Because 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 also what? 5. But subtraction is not like that, it's not equal. So if sec square a minus 1 tan square a, from where we got? From here. So sec square a minus 1 tan square a. So obviously 1 minus sec square a will be what? Minus tan square a. So here we can write, listen, tan a into minus 2 sec a, that you should write in working column, minus tan square a. This much I got. Because denominator I wrote 1 minus sec square is same as what? Minus tan square a. Now we can cut this minus and this minus we can cut. Not only that one, here you can see tan. Here tan square is this. So this also I cancelled. See here tan is there, but here tan square is there. Multiplication. This into this. Only multiplication only we can cancel. So here tan is there. Here it is what? Tan square a. So one tan I cancelled. Now what we can? Now we cannot do anything. Just to convert in terms of sine and cos. Just to convert in terms of sine and cos, so you can write 2 into, what is sec? Sec, you know, 1 by cos. Sec is what? 1 by cos. So 2 into 1 by cos a divided by, what is tan? Tan also is ready with you. Sine a by cos a. Now you can cut both the denominator, you can cut, because denominator, if it is monomial, you can cut. So 2 into 1 by sine will be there. 2 into 1 by sine will be the 2 into 1 by sine will be the 2 into 1 by sine. Here already it is written what is 1 by sine. 1 by sine is what? Cosec a. Cosec a. So that is our RHS. 1 by sine is what? 2 cosec a. So what I want to say, again I repeat, this is the LHS. So the three things don't forget. Three things don't forget. The three things is what? One is converting in terms of sine and cos. Any common term, if it is there, you can take it outside. Any common term, if you feel you can take it outside. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, you have to do. So when I observed, I saw initially, I can see what tan is common. So immediately I took it out. So after that, only I'm thinking about. Then after that, I do the cross multiplication. Why I didn't convert in terms of sine and cos? I told you, if you feel a plus b into a minus b form, if you feel a plus b into a minus b form, do that one. After that, you can think about remaining things. Because here you can see a plus b and a minus b form. So done the cross multiplication. So 1 into this one, this term. There is a minus. And this into this, I wrote this term. So 1 minus 1 cancelled. Sec will not be cancelled. Why? Because you can see minus ck minus ck. So minus 2 ck. And about this one, clearly I explained why it became minus tan square A. By became minus tan square A. Many examples I given. Now after that minus and minus I cancelled. Here you can see tan A one time. Here tan square A. Tan square A means tan A into tan A. So one tan A cancels, so there will be one tan will remain. Tan square A means tan A into tan A. So one tan is cancelled, so tan will, so 2 ck by tan A will be. Now what is ck? Ck already we have this result. 1 by cos A. So 2 into 1 by cos A. Down tan A. Tan is what? Sin by cos. Cos. Both the denominator I cancelled. Both the denominator I cancelled. So 2 into 1 by sin. What is 1 by sin? 1 by sin is 2 cosec. Please write it. That only you want to prove. So similar way, one question I'm giving be done before that you can manage. Target is 10 question. Once 10 question is over, we'll stop it. 10 or 11 question. But if I feel some questions, I'll add along with this. Oh.
So can you give me a minute to copy it down?
Everything's you're right towards this one.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
You still okay, that's also fine, no problem. But I think sign and cos maybe step will be more. So that's also fine, no problem at all. But you have to get the answer. Okay, fine. I hope all of you finished it. So the same question I'm just giving some other way. You people can understand that when we done before. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that. Tan A by. Prove that tan A by. Prove that tan A by sec A plus 1 plus tan A by sec A. Actually, this both the questions are same. I reversed one minus. Okay, that will leave it equal to 2 cosec A. This we done before. 2 cosec A. Tan A by sec A plus 1 plus tan A by sec A minus 1 equal to 2 cosec A. So just to carry on, after 2 or 3 minutes, I will do it. You just start. It is easy actually. Just to try same way. Take a common term out of this. You easily will get it. It's not that much step. Directly result you can apply. So I'm just doing anyway. That much time I don't have. So the LHS part, tan A I took it outside. So 1 by ck plus 1 plus 1 by ck minus 1. Okay. So do the cross multiplication. Many people got it. This is completely easy. Addition only. So even if it is bracket is not there, also nothing will happen. Divided by sec square A minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Tan A into 2 ck. Direct result only. Sec square A minus 1 is what? Tan square A. Direct result only. No need to write a minus because previous question it was reverse. So tan cancel. So same step will reach. 2 into 1 by cos A divided by sin A by cos A. This is everything in the previous question I explained. So what? 2 cosec A. 2 cosec A. Don't forget what are things we done today. Everyone should practice. Then only there will be something. Otherwise, nothing will be done. So according to my book, there are, I done two questions. I mean, three questions, two questions. Okay, fine. Next, you should know what is a cube plus b cube. Grade 9 result. A cube plus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? See, just write before this question. All the result no need to write anywhere. Just towards this question only you write. What is a cube minus b cube? What is a cube plus b cube? I'm not asking a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. I'm asking a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. See, this is what a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is a cube minus b cube. The other one is what? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, and the other one is a cube minus b cube. Question: if you people having this result, easily you can manage. So grade 9 result only, somewhere you're writing a paper and stick somewhere on the wall or somewhere. What I used to tell like that. Because the grade 9 result, we need this. Write down, prove that cos cube theta plus sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2. You people get a question bank from my side and I started preparation for that one. There will be 5 basic and 5 standard. And the answer key, to get the answer key, those who are confident can collect one paper. You just work out and give me the answer key. Maybe some people I'll select and I'll send it. And you solve. Only I need answer key because once you prepare the question paper, many people are asking. So answer key is the only the key. So randomly I'll send the paper to you people, one paper. 10 people I'll select and you have to solve it. And after solving, only the answer key you have to send to me. Though, so when I'm making the question bank, it will be useful. The answer key will be there now. And not only that one, there will be 5 basic paper and 5 standard paper. So you practice, make it perfect, that one. That will be enough for your any exam. But I'm not giving the guarantee for the case study. I'm telling about remaining question. Case study is newly introduced, so anyone can introduce anything. So today in grade 11, I introduced 2 or 3 questions. And last exam for triangles, I introduced one river crossing. Like that, anyone can introduce anything. So anyway, there will be 5 basic and 5 standard. It will update soon. Now I'm working on grade 11. After finishing that, yours will be ready. Okay, those who are confident, just try. You can see a cube plus b cube form here. Here a cube minus b cube form. Just to try. Let me see how many of you are getting it. So LHS, please rewrite and carry on. LHS. 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 So this is our LHS. Already this question in terms of what? Sine and cos. This question already in terms of sine and cos. So no need to do anything. Already in terms of sine and cos means no need to convert. Apart from that one, cross multiplication possibility is there, but don't do that. Why? Because, okay, some people got, I think. So we have a cube plus b cube result and a cube minus b cube result. So just to apply what is a cube plus b cube. You know, a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here if you are applying cos cube theta plus sine cube theta, that is what a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, when you are applying, you can see a plus b into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square divided by cos theta plus sin theta plus, again I repeat, the numerator part in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube result just now I given. Your a is what? Cos theta, and b is what? Sin theta. So what we can say, a cube plus b cube, we have a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Just like instead of a and b, you can consider this two magnets. Just like a cube plus b cube, if it is coming, what you can say, a plus b into, this magnet only will change everywhere. A and b have to change. So this question, instead of a cos theta and instead of b is what? Sin theta. Just replace a and b. So cos theta plus sin theta, cos square theta minus cos theta. Same way you can do the second part also. Plus a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square divided by, it is actually within one or two steps you will get this one. It is almost over. Now the cancellation part we are doing, the cancellation part. It is almost over. Cos theta plus sin theta you can cut because it's multiplication as well as the division. The same thing, cos theta minus sin theta you can cut. And afterwards I told you the rounding thing. What is the rounding thing? You know that this is cos square theta, this is what? Sin square theta. Just connect like this. How much? 1. Because last class I told you the basic identity. Same way down also you can see. Here cos square theta, here is what? Sin square theta, connected to 1. Now denominator completely cancelled. Only the numerator part will be there. That I am going to rewrite. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. And here balance is what? Minus cos theta sin theta. In between 1 plus. Here cos square theta plus this one is what? 1 plus cos theta sin theta. Actually what I want to say, in single step you'll get the answer if you are that much confident. What is the single step? Here it's still minus cos theta plus cos theta sin theta cancelled. So that's the thing. So minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel. Answer we got RHS. See, this much is simple only. But the thing, you should know what is AQ plus BQ. So what I told you, this all results somewhere you stick. So AQ plus BQ, I think DPS some question came similar type in last exam. So be careful about this type of. So RHS. So we discussed 3 questions. I mean 4 questions. So you have to mark like this to understand later when you are checking how we are getting. So we want to prove equal to what? 2. Next question. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that cos theta by 1 by tan theta, cos theta by 1 minus tan theta, then your mic is on. Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta. New question for you. Cos theta plus sin theta. This is the question. You don't care about what you want to get in RHS. That automatically will come. That you don't care. That automatically when we are simplifying it will come. So I told you 90% question we are converting in terms of what? The three strategy, don't forget. It is not in order. It can be which is more comfortable for us that we'll use. If any common term is there, you have to take it outside. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, you have to do. Convert in terms of sine and cos. So if you're checking here, nothing is common. But we can convert in terms of sine and cos because tan theta is there. So just see, all of you. Tan theta when I think question all of you wrote. LHS please rewrite. I'm not checking what is RHS. That automatically will come. You see. LHS. Just observe. Afterwards you can write. Cos theta by 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Minus sine square theta by cos theta minus sine theta. Just observe what I'm doing. Very simple thing. Just observe. So cos theta by denominator LCM. What will be? Cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta minus sine square theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Now watch what I'm doing next. Listen carefully, don't write anything. What I'm doing next, just listen. All of you listen. If you are keeping the arrow mark, what I'm doing like that, it will be better for you. This is moved up. This is moved up. So what happened? Cos theta, reciprocal multiplication will come. So cos square theta, all of you listen, minus sine square theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. One step I skipped. Again I repeat. This cos moved up. So cos into cos is what? Cos square theta. So cos square theta by cos theta minus sine theta minus sine square. So denominators are same. This is the denominator. This and this are what denominator. That's the same. If the denominators are same, what we can do numerator. So numerator you see, what is that? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So numerator will become cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. So this cancel. So cos theta plus sine theta. See, this easily we got the arches. That much easy only. But try to understand converting in terms of sine and cos, and afterwards when we are moving forward, you will get it quickly. If any question or anything is coming, do not refer any guide or internet. If you are checking any question in internet, you can see a lot of steps. Just try by yourself by using the green color technique. The green color only 6 results. How to remember that when I given in the diagram. So if you are practicing, you will get everything far better than the internet and any guide or something. Many question I told you what is a textbook better than that one I given to you. So by practicing only you will get it. Okay, fine. I hope you finish this one also. And one more thing I told you before, you remember or not, even after any simplification, denominator don't do anything. Let it be the like that only. The last class I told you, denominator automatically sometimes get cancelled or something. But in the case of LCM and all, we have to take the something. Okay, next question. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta minus sine square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sine square theta divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta equal to cot theta equal to cot theta equal to cot theta. equal to cot theta. LHS you rewrite. Cross multiplication possibly never be. When will be the cross multiplication? There should be nothing common. You can't see anything common here. See, cross multiplication possibility won't be there because cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, there will be two rational function. Nothing you can take common and already in terms of sine and cos. So how will do? Here only the possibility. Just observe. Only the possibility. This one you have to change. More than enough, you'll get the answer. So of course, sir, sine square theta, what? Nothing. Sine square theta, you can check here. We have the result. Sine square theta, you will get 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. Now you can see completely cos will be there. Just observe. LHS part. No need right. Just observe. First 1 plus cos theta I put in bracket. Just a kept in bracket. Minus sine square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Denominator, no need to touch anything. Let it be there like that. Don't touch the denominator. Don't touch the denominator. Many question I told you last class also. Don't touch the denominator. Let it be there like that. Now what is next? What is 1 minus cos square? You know a square minus b square result. Actually here even if it is square is there or not doesn't matter. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. So numerator can be rewritten as, those who are confident directly 1 plus cos theta you can cut, but bracket is very important. This can be written as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now if you are observing this one, you can see 1 plus cos theta is common. For understanding this one I am writing, suppose this you call A, obviously this also what A, this is what B. Because this, so A minus AB, you can take A outside. A if you are taking out here 1 will be the A into 1 minus B. From the A minus AB, if you are taking A outside, you can see what? A into 1 minus B. A into 1 minus B. So you just observe it. For timing, I call this is what A and this also A. This is I called B because there is a sign changes there. So A we can take it outside. That means what? 1 plus cos theta I took it outside. If you are taking this completely from there, I told you you have to write what? 1. So there will be 1 minus of what we took 1 plus cos theta now. So 1 minus cos theta will be there divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Again I repeat. Here if you are observing this term is common. I took it out. The common term completely I took it outside. So when I am taking this completely from here, there will be a 1. Minus of this term will be balance that only. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta you can cut. Not only one, this bracket when you are opening, 1 and 1 cancelled because 1 minus 1. Minus minus is what? Minus minus is what? Plus. So you can see cos theta divided by down denominator sine theta. We have what is cos theta by sine theta. Sorry, I didn't write that one. That is cot theta. You know, yesterday we wrote this. Cos theta by sine theta is what? Cot theta. Cos theta by sine theta is what? Cot theta. So what we can say, this is what? Cot theta. So equal to what? R. See how easily we got it. So only the thing in this question, there is no cross already in terms of sign, only the possibility sign. Another method also is there. That is later we have to think about. So this many step you can reduce if you are that much confident. Many step you can reduce. This is the question and this one. From here itself, 1 plus cos theta you can cut. So directly reach here. So you can write the answer. Okay, just go through. I'm going to conclude by writing one more question. Tomorrow, 1 hour class, timing will update. In that class, mainly will be, you might remember special type of 7 question we done. Special type in textbook also, maybe you can't understand that one. By using 6 cos theta minus tan square theta, replacing one. I think Birla last exam they asked that one. Your last exam they asked that question. Around 7 question we'll discuss to make it clear because in this textbook, I told you 90% question when we are converting in terms of sine and cos you'll get it, but 10% questions are the special type. Tomorrow we are discussing that one. Okay, the last question. Prove that, prove that, prove that. Two more class will be there for this. Two more. One is tomorrow, one is day after tomorrow sometimes. And after that application trigonometry, three classes will be there. Everything 1 hour section only. By the way, planning for physical classes also, that will tell you. Okay, fine. Prove that cot theta minus tan theta, cot theta minus tan theta equal to cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. It's a new question for you. Okay, same procedure only. I think all of you wrote the question. I'm just focusing on LHS is what. RHS I don't care. Whatever things are there, that automatically answer will get. Even if it is not getting, some rearrangement might be there. Of course, it should be there some rearrangement. Without rearrangement, we can't move forward. So I'll tell you that. Okay, fine. So I'm going to raise this. This is a single step you'll get if you're that much sharp with the basic. Convert in terms of sine and cos. You know what is cot theta? Cos theta by sine theta minus sine theta by cos theta. Now cross multiplication, answer is over actually. Cos square theta minus sin square theta by sin theta cos theta. Your denominator is ready. But try to understand a cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. But here minus. Actually, there is a result in grade 11 that later we can think about. Anyway, fine. But you people want to get a 2 cos square theta minus 1. Simple, we done before also. DPS. In your exam, one question they asked before, you might remember that one. Sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A divided by, like the denominator we rearrange. Like that one question, Delhi Public School, not the pre-board. I think some weekly test or something they asked. So how we can make it? Simple only. You want to get a numerator only cos. Yeah, numerator you want to get only cos. So just to change this one. Because numerator sine is not coming. Only we need cos. So what is sine square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So numerator I'm just changing because I want to get the answer in terms of what. So you should keep in bracket, don't forget. So this is the answer. So be careful. One step I'm skipping. So just listen. Here cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta, because minus I'm going to take inside. So minus minus what, plus. So minus minus plus cos square theta, and here also one cos. So you can see 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. This is what RHS. Still, if anybody have problem, just to open the bracket, I'll tell you. Cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta. Cos square 2 cos square minus 1. That much simple only this also. I'm just going to conclude this topic today, and tomorrow will be the special 7 type. That means prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to sec theta minus tan theta, or 1 by sec theta plus tan theta, or 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Like that, 7 questions will be the timing will update, because by considering all other classes only will be DPS. And Birla, you have any school or anything?